brush out. Oh, both sides? Oh. 5 times? Nicht. Oh, I hate this. Okay, now you put it in here. And then...
You can imagine how I reacted when I had to do this in front of people. I'm crying. Oh. I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much. Okay, now I have to open this. Oh, fuck this shit, man. Oh. And then you put it in here.
Each side, 15 seconds in each side.
Okay, is it 15 seconds?
Oh, you're drilling.
Hey. Ah! Ok, agora vamos meter aqui assim. Okay.
Then I guess I just gotta like... You have to do both nostrils. Oh my god. And then I guess this one. Okay. I'm like 99% sure that I'm doing this correctly.
Meanwhile, achoo, stir stir.
Acabo de su puta madre.
When you can't handle the COVID test.
Alright. So it takes 10 minutes for the flu results to come back and 15 for the COVID.
Okay.
So you can
Okay, I'm gonna go in this side. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, don't grab it, because then I would have to do it again. You okay? 5, whoop, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry.
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye.
What the dog doing? Beep, boop, boop, bop, boop, boop. What?
I like it.
Have you ever had a dream?
Nope. Bruh.
My name is Jeff. Red light.
Sorry for starting again. Can we please start it again? I'm sorry.
So you're gonna probably have to stick it like up here. It's gonna be really annoying, but you gotta swab both sides. I'm not gonna let you guys see like mine exactly, but
oh, this is fucking stupid, man. Can we just say I have COVID? Can we? Oh shit! Yeah, that's really making me want to hop right onto this bandwagon. Can I have someone do it for me? Can someone swab for me?
do it.
No, because I don't want to be sneezing like you. Come on, man.
Bless me, goddammit.
Yeah, bless you.
Alright, so let's do it. Oh. Okay, this is the time. This is it. I'm gonna just go for it. Oh, Lord. My eyes are already. I'm crying. 3, 2, 1. I am literally leaking from my nose and my eyes right now. This is why I don't like doing it. Let's see if I got COVID, okay? Do the usual.
You can see the tears. I keep sneezing. Doing a little mixer. Getting chills. This my stomach. This sensitive in my nose. I'm sensitive in my nose. I cannot. Alright, now we'll take a test tube.
Attends encore.
Ça chatouille. Voilà.
C'est bon.
Bon, bon. Mais ça déconne, ça chatouille. Bon. Horrible.